Steven, how are things going so far?
Cold.
Action! Okay, where are we going next?
So it's going to be a different thing, different angle.
Arthur, how are things going so far?
Going great. Going great.
I'm going to have a conversation between him, so
He's talking already for somebody else.
No, I know, but you having that conversation, we can cut you out so he has more of a flow.
Oh, that's actually a good idea. Like just read the other part of it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'd have to look it up. But yeah, we'll get Clayton over
Yeah.
here and we'll see if we can figure that out. We
Let's move that car back here. Let's bring the 8x8 right about here. All right, camera rolling.
Sound speed.
Evolution 12, take 1.
Action.
Brown, Salisbury. We have 3 contact teams inside the building. Right now.
There was no time to go. That's what I was making sure. Like, yeah, as long as it's plugged in. Yeah, it's blinking, it's on. You're good.
I can read what the dialogue says and you can buffer it on either end.
We're just gonna do one long take. Okay. Let's do it.
Triage tapes are going to be exposed and easily wrapped. You got green for minor, yellow for delayed, red for immediate, and the switch to the zipper tag for the seat makes the little
Baby, in post-game interview, how did today go?
Today went really well, man. Everyone was on it. Everyone who was involved from our team to everyone on their side, the cops, the firefighters, everyone was on point. I think we got some really nice shot. We got shots of the squad basically pulling up with the police cars and everything. And then we did some simple B-roll, to be honest with you. And we wrapped up by 3:30 today. So that was today.
We started at 7:30, right?
Yeah, 7:30 a.m.
Yeah.
We were here. Yeah, so not bad. What is that? 7 hours, 6 hours of shooting,
Yeah.
and we got it all done.
Arthur,
What's up, buddy?
post-game interview, how was today for you?
Oh, today was great. You know, we got snow in the middle of the shoot. Other than that, I think we finished a lot early on time. We did good. Our DP was on it. It was great.
Luis, how was today for you?
It was pretty cool, man. We got to record in the snow. That was an awesome experience. Feet got a little cold, but other than that, it was awesome. Everybody did their thing. Fabian killed it. Aputure killed it. Everybody in the team was on it on everything, so you did an awesome job. Good job, guys.
Luis on that 7200.
On the F camera.
I have to add a camera for you.